Question number 70, we have two balls that are directed for a collision. One of them is moving east, and the other one is moving south of west at 30 degrees. So it requires you to remember that when you say south of west, think west, you go this way first, and then you dip south of it, so that's your 30 degrees right here. And this vector represents what I'm showing here. This vector represents my direction south of east at 30 degrees. Eyeballed, but nevertheless. So when I take, and notice that I'm not bothering with kilograms because overall they want the speed and the direction. So speed and direction. Speed would be our magnitude, direction will be how many degrees. So just as any vector, when you add the two vectors, you're going to have the total momentum vector before the collision. That would be the root of Pythagorean theorem here, px plus py, both of them are squared, right? So let's look at our components. So I have for the 40 and for the 30. For 40, it's east. So the only thing that it has is the x component, and it equals 40, albeit grams per centimeter times meters per second. And then for y, it has 0. Now, as far as my 30 degree goes, it's first off, it's 30 grams meters per second at 30 degrees south of west. South and west are both negative. For y, it's going to be 30 sine of 30, and for x, it's going to be 30 cosine of 30. Both of them are negative. So for the x, I'm going to have negative 15. Sorry, for y. For y, I'm going to have negative 15 because it's half of the hypotenuse. Negative 15. And then for x, it's going to be 15 roots of 3. Also negative because it is going west. So west and south. I'm going to get that together. So overall, this is going to be 40 minus 15 roots of 3. And this is just negative 15. So then I'm going to do my Pythag. So it's going to be 20 and a half. And I know this is going to be grams times meters per second. So this right here is the momentum. This is the combined mass, because they stuck together, times V final. So then I have to divide 20 and a half by 50. Grams cancel. That's why I didn't have to convert anything. So if I divide that by 50, I got 0.41 meters per second. And to figure out the direction, it's going to be southeast. And I can take my 15 to 40 minus 15 roots of 3, inverse 10 of that. My calculator is saying 47 when I round it. So 47 degrees southeast.